Hello friends, welcome back to Factory IO tutorials, and in this tutorial we are going to learn some of the basic logical functions in control IO. So let's begin and let's create a new project, and I go to file and drivers and open the control IO. Okay, so what we have to do is we are going to learn the basic function blocks, and first of all we are going to learn the logical functions, and the first one we have is the AND function. So here we have AND function. So this is a simple AND function with two inputs. So now I take two sources and I connect both of them with the first input and also with the second input. Okay, and what we take next is memory logic. We take bool and I place it at the output. So AND logic is a very simple logic, which means that if both the inputs are on, the output is on. Okay, so now I run this logic, and so when I turn on the first input, the output is off because this is an AND logic, and when I press and turn on the second input, the output is on. So by pressing both the inputs, by turning on both the inputs, the output is on. And when I turn off any of the switch, the output is off. So this is a very simple logic, and similarly this is 4 input AND logic, and the working is similar to the first one. Okay, so now we are going to learn the OR logic, and I remove these both AND logics and connect the source with the first input and the second input. And connect the output with the bool. So what happens that when I press the first input and turn on the first input, the output is turned on. So by turning on any of the inputs, the output is on. So as you can see, when I press the first input, the output is on, and when I close it and turn on the second input, the output is on. And when I turn on both the inputs, the output is already on. So I think you have understand this is very simple logic, and similarly with this 4 input OR logic, and the function is similar to the first one. So I hope you have understood, and in the next lesson we are going to learn the set reset commands, that how to use set and reset. That is over here we have this set and reset. So in next tutorial we are going to discuss about this set and reset, and also we are going to make a simple mechanic system that we have to turn on the conveyor. So all these things we will do in the next lesson. So I hope you have understood, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.